everyone, welcome to episode 3 of this series, Meta Ads for E-commerce, and I'm really happy you guys made it till here. Today, this is another operational backend kind of video where we're going to see how to add payment methods to your business account and also how to add team members to your team. This will come really handy once you start scaling your business, as you need to add more people to your business. And the thing is, most people who put content on YouTube regarding Meta ads don't really mention this part because they believe most people it's already understood and most people already know this. But like I said, when I was learning Facebook ads, I had a lot of difficulties understanding this part, this specific part, because there was no tutorial out there. And very frankly, the Meta ads interface is not user friendly. It's very confusing. You'll get lost in it and it's a nightmare overall, which is why I am making this video so you can follow along with me and you don't face the same problem. Anyway, let's get into it. All right, guys, so let's get it started. We are here. The first step is, of course, to go to the ads manager. I hope most of you know how to come here. And if you don't, please watch the previous episodes. You'll be able to figure that one out. Now, first we'll go over how to set up the billing and how to add the payment method. Once you hover here to the left section, you'll see billing here. And if you don't see it, don't panic. Just go to all tools and you will see it somewhere here. All right, just go to billing. We'll let it load. And here you can see your payment activity if you have any current balance or anything as such. And since you don't, you add payment methods. All right. Here it will ask you to modify permissions. So basically, it's asking you to assign a finance editor role, which you assign to yourself because you haven't added any team members. Once you add any team members, you can add them as a finance editor, if any. Okay. Next is add business payment method. You click on it, and voila, you have a ton of options here. There are many options, including you just have to click on India and whatever your currency and your country is. We're going to go with Indian rupee, and we have debit card and credit card. Right, we click on next, and then we can add our cards here, and that's all. So it's a pretty simple way, but a lot of time people get confused what to actually do and how to actually do it. Right. So that's how you add a payment method. Next is how do you add team members. Okay, so for that you have to come to your business settings. Again, same left side. If you can't find, just go to all tools and you'll be able to see business settings. This is one of the most important part of the entire ad account because a lot of things are here. Everything is here. You control everything from here. Right. See, as you can see here, there's an option for users and there is people. Right. So far, there is only one. There is only me. But if I want to add someone else, I click on add people. And from here, you have to write the email address of those people. So for example, if I have someone named John Smith, and his email ID is johnsmith1 to john.smith123 at gmail.com. Right. I click on next. Now it's asking me what roles do you want John to have? What power do you want John to have? Right. So there is an option to give full control. I always recommend go to view advanced options. There is an option to give finance as well. So only give this to someone you really trust because they can manipulate your payments. They can add more money. They can remove money and a lot of things. Right. When it comes to this full control, just click on manage and you'll be able to manage what all you want them to give. Right. So if you only want to give them the ad account access, go to ads account and click on here. You can give them partial access as in manage campaigns. Yes, we will want them to do this, or we can give them full control, which includes everything. Control ad account settings, finances and permissions. Again, there's finance option here as well. So only give it to people who you trust. Or if it's just an intern or if it's someone who's just running ads, you can unselect this, just select manage campaigns. Right. There are other things as well here. You can also give them access to Instagram accounts. Since I don't have any, but if you have, you'll be able to give them that as well. You'll be able to give them access to pixels. You'll be able to give them access to catalogs. Again, this comes handy when you're running ads, so you can give it. It's not that big of a deal. But make sure whenever it comes to finances, please make sure that you are very careful with it and you don't trust everyone and anyone. All right. So here, once you select on it, and then you can invite them. Right, we did not set access to this one. When it comes to catalog, again, we're giving them partial access. We can invite them. Once I click here, John will receive an email from which John can accept my request and then join me as a team member. So that was all, guys. It was quite a simple thing, but again, it's very important that you handle your finance properly. You only give it to people who you trust because they can do a lot of things with your card information. So stay safe and don't trust everyone and anyone. And that's all. That was all from our episode 3. And I'll see you guys in the next episode where we actually start creating a campaign. So the thing that you guys have been waiting for the most, it's going to come. So I hope to see all of you guys there. Thank you.